Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In the lecture series of Material Studio, we are at the lecture number 35, and in today's lecture, we will learn how to reproduce research paper in Material Studio. So basically, it's a tridope TiO2 with nitrogen, silver, and indium. So the first goal is to design tridope TiO2. How to design this structure? So. For this open material studio and import the latest phase of TiO2 is these are the unit cell. So we have to make supercell. Um, we have to make supercell of the structure. You see, they just make uh, 2 cross 2 cross 1 supercell. So let's make it 2 cross 2 cross 1. So what you have to do for this, you have to click on build, and from here we found an symmetry option. We found supercell tab. So it was 2 cross 2 cross 1, right? Okay, just simply click on create supercell. So we get the supercell of TiO2. Okay, now the second step is to rotate it in such a way that each atom are visible clearly. So let's rotate the structure, and let's set the display style. Okay, so we just make the display style. Okay, let's label the structure. So we found the red one is oxygen, and the gray one is represent titanium atom. So if you see, they just drop nitrogen on oxygen side, and silver Ag is on the titanium side. So how to drop this? Okay, just simply replace this with nitrogen, and the second one is with silverate. Okay, so simply select the desired atom, and from here we'll find the Ag. So, yeah, we just got it. So with nitrogen we just make a monodoping, and with Ag we make a co-doping, co-dope TiO2. Now it's time to make it tridope TiO2. So we have to replace this one with indium. Okay. Okay, so we just make this. Okay, so we successfully make a tridope TiO2, as we if you see over here. Let's change the background style. Okay, so we just make a structure same as it is, like they make with nitrogen, silver, and indium tritopium. Okay, now how to set up the calculation steps. So for this is we use CASTEP. The initial calculation are performed on the CASTEP code. Okay, so we have to open the CASTEP module of Material Studio, and firstly we have to do geometric optimization, and we just pick the parameter. We use PVE with GGA, right? And the electron wave function is considered a plane wave, and it is expanded up to the maximum energy of 380 electron volt, while the K mesh are set to 222, and the energy is 380 electron volt. K mesh point is 22. Okay, ultra soft CO2 potential is being used with the BFGS algorithm. So firstly we have to get all the maximum information from here, and then we will start the calculation. Okay, all these are the calculation steps, and then the boundary conditions. Our maximum displacement is 5 × 10⁻⁻5 total energy for atom. They also mentioned. So let's impose all these. As GGAPB has already been selected, so we just select it, and from more section we will find the all the information. Okay, so from the option section we will get all the possible algorithms. So the first one is BFGS. We select the BFGS is the use BFGS algorithm, you see, and with the cutoff energy of 380 electron volt, and K mesh point is 2, 2, and 2, right? So click on electronic, as I already use these parameters, so that's why they are already shown. Okay, so how you can set to 380, you see from here you can change it at any, like 400 electron volt, like 380 electron volt. Okay, it's not a tough job. Okay, so as I already take the fine quality, as we use 2 × 2 × 2 K mesh point. Okay, so from the property section, no need to select anything, just move ahead. Job control apply if you are not using your PC for any other purpose, so simply apply the all the codes. Otherwise, if you are, for example, using for some other activity, so better is to use less code. Okay, and then simply run the calculation with even symmetry. Okay, the calculation has been started. So with this way you can reproduce any research paper. So if anyone have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much.